So is the era of the DJI Mini 2 coming to an end? Are the days of Lassie finally numbered? This wee drone, this DJI Mini 2 Lassie, has been my stalwart companion for the last year, and we've been through some things together. Lassie has flown backwards. She's navigated her way through tiny little spaces. She's flown through flaming steam. She's battled against the wind. She's flown through snowstorms. She's journeyed to the edge of her battery and back, and sometimes she hasn't made it all the way back. She's gone on some daring adventures. And she's brought us some of the most scenic and beautiful footage you'll ever see. There's a new day dawning, and in 3 days' time the DJI Mini 3 Pro will be available for you in the shops and online. So here goes Lassie on what's probably going to be her last exclusive Mini 2 flight, at least for some time. You go, Lassie, go.
Time is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will ye go, Lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pure wild mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will ye go, Lassie, go? I will build my love bower near yon pure crystal fountain, and on it I will tie all the flowers of the mountain. Will ye go, Lassie, go? And we'll all go together Lassie, go. And we'll all go together to the wild mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will ye go, Lassie, go?
So where do we go from here, me and Lassie? Do we continue on testing the limits of Lassie's capabilities? I think we've tested everything that we possibly can on Lassie. I think we've reviewed every possible feature that Lassie has to offer. But Lassie's not over yet, because when I get my new Mini 3 Pro, Lassie will be going out head to head with the new Mini 3 Pro to see if the Mini 3 is any more capable at producing footage that's going to look fantastic. But what do you want from the channel? What do you want from me? Do you want me to show you the capabilities of the Mini 3 Pro, show you the wonderful things that it's going to be able to do? Do you want me to do comparisons between the Mini 2 and the Mini 3? Do you want me to get the RC controller, the new one, and test it and compare it with the old RC controller to see if it's any better? Or do you want me to forget about the Mini 3 altogether and stick with Lassie? Let me know what you want me to do and I'll do it. I'll be coming back out to Lochdoon and to all the other places that you've seen over the past year in my videos. And I'll be bringing Lassie with me, and I'll be bringing Laddie with me, and I'll probably be accompanied with the new Mini 3 Pro. And we'll be taking some footage around here. So you let me know what it is that you want me to do, and I'll do it. Until then, me and Lassie, we're out of here.